Now, the definition is about like method overriding. Method name is the same, but now implementation is different. Okay, implementation is different. Now, we have like one more way also simply here. Now, method name is same in the parent class. Okay, as a child is not satisfied with parent logic. Okay, parent logic. Then, as a child, he can change that implementation. No, as a child, he can change or modify that implementation. Okay. Now, but suppose simply here objectively, what is the meaning of method overriding? We have like one class parent. Okay. We have like one class is the parent. Now we have like one class is a child. Okay. Now here I'm going to write like public void m1 method. Okay. Now SYSO. Now simply we are sleeping. We are started sleeping. Okay. Now in the parent, how many methods we have? One method. What is that method name? Sleep method. What is the logic of parent? We are started sleeping. But as a child, he wants to access sleep method. How we can access? By using extents of parent. Okay. Now, logically we have that method, right? But as a child, already he has this method, but he wants to change this logic. We are not sleeping. Okay. Now the concept is called overriding. Okay, overriding in the sense of changing the logic of as a parent. Means what? As a child is not satisfied with like parent logic. That's why he can call the method which have the parent the same method name, but logic is different. Okay, object the same method, control copy and control V. Now this method is like at the rate of override. Okay, we need to use overrided method. Now we are not okay sleeping. Okay, we are not started sleeping. Now simply see here in the parent class we have like sleep method. In the child class also we have the same method. Method name is same. Okay, method name is same, but logic is a different. Logic is same or different? Different. Okay, method name is same. The concept is called simply method overriding. Okay, method name is same, but implementation is different. Okay, now we'll see that same example here. Right click the package. Now child always will take like child only. Now within the child main method. Okay, it's a normal child. I'm going to take one more class parent. With the parent, okay, with the parent. Now I'm going to create like one method public void sleep. Okay, now this sleep. Now simply here so now we are started sleeping. Okay. Now as a parent, he has one method that is sleep method. Okay. Now the parent has some logic, some implementation. Okay, logic, implementation both are same, but the namings are different. Technically we can call implementation. Okay, normally for the understanding purpose we can call it a logic. Okay. Now as a parent, he has some method sleep, he has some implementation. Okay. Now as a child, he wants to access the sleep method. Okay, you want to call this sleep method, but how I can call it this simply by using extends keyword. Now control space extends simply here control space parent. Now we need to write again the method. Now this method logic I want to change it. Now simply here control V. Above the method simply we can use like a override annotation. It's optional. Without writing also no issues on that. Now we are not sleeping. Okay, we are not sleeping. Did you observe? Both methods are same. Okay, both methods are same, but logic is a different. Now, has a child, okay, has a child is not satisfied with this implementation. Did you observe? As a child, whenever he extends from the parent, now what he got sleep, we have started sleeping. But child is not sleeping. He wants to say like, okay, to the parent, I'm not sleeping. Now, whenever he called the sleep method, okay, he changed that implementation. We are not sleeping. Okay. Then I want to create object of a child. Child is equal to new child. Okay. Now in this case, if I call like ch dot sleep method, which method is going to be called? We are not sleeping. Now right click, run as Java application. Now the child logic we are going to catch. Okay, child logic we are going to catch. Now, but suppose if we want like parent logic, okay, we need to create an object of separated parent, we can call it. But there is another way, we need to use some keywords also. Okay. Now this is about like a method overriding method overload. But suppose one more example simple. Now we have like a uh, I have like one old TV. Okay, in the 2019-90. Okay, we have like one TV. Okay, that TV has like a screen. Okay, now remote and like yeah, screen. The screen is in the 1990s. What for? Suppose like 1900 LCD screen. Okay. Now remote like for the inbuilt only. Okay. Inbuilt keypad. Now there is no remote for suppose. Without like sound, simply we can say that. Okay. Now sound in the sense like yeah, speaker simply here. Okay. Speaker separately here. Now for suppose nowadays I want to create the new TV. Okay, in the first of all, like 2024 new TV. Because this is my project, the new TV. Now for the new TV also like we need screen and we need sound, right? Yes or no? We need screen and sound. But nowadays anybody is watching LCD? No. But this person as a child he wants like screen method, but he doesn't want implementation of logic. Okay, అతను టీవీ కావాలి బట్ ఎల్సిడి స్క్రీన్ టీవీ. But he changed the logic LCD to LCD. Okay. Now nowadays we are not using speakers simply here. We can use like sound bars. Okay, he changed that implementation. As a child, I'm not satisfied with like a parent implementation. Change the logic of parent methods. Okay. Now the methods which we have in the same method name, but logic is a different or implementation is a different. Now see how I can include the same example. Now, first we need to create like which class object, first which class we need to create TV or new TV? New TV. Every time the child we need to create. Now right click, go to the new class, new TV. Okay. Now simply just create like main method. Just keep it aside. First we need like old class. Simply here class TV. Okay, simply I can write like that old TV. That's better. Okay, this class has public void screen. Okay, now SO simply here. Now 1990s TV that screen is LCD. Okay, now we have like one more method, public void speakers. SO okay, we have old speakers. Sound is not good. Okay. Now, as a child, he wants to create. Now, by seeing these lines of code, also we get the child is not satisfied. Okay, the screen is LCD, and the sound is not good. Simply, what he did, he accesses all the data. If you want to access simply, now if I want to copy and if I want to paste it simply here, these are also two different methods. But the same methods we need as a child. Now simply we can use what? Extends from old TV. Now the methods have the same. That's what we can explore. But the logic is what? Different. Now simply here 2024 the TV screen is a LED. Okay. Now we have like a new sound bars. New sound bars. Okay. Now how many methods are present in the new TV right now? The two. Now, new TV object we need to create new TV. NTV is equal to new TV. Okay. Now NT dot. Now simply we can call like screen. Now NT dot we can call like sound. Yes, speakers, right? Control right click, run as Java application. Here we got like a